In example 1, we're asked to evaluate the following expressions. When I take a look at these problems, first of all, I'm noticing that there is no equal sign. We don't see any equal sign in either of these three examples. So we know we're not going to be solving here. But what our goal for these types of problems is going to be is it's going to be to simplify the expression, or another good word for this is condense. So if we take a look, all of these expressions are numerical. There's no variables. And we're going to end up with a single value. That's the goal for these. So let's take a look at the first one here of example 1. And we don't see any grouping symbol. There's no parentheses or brackets or anything like that. So you'll see here that I've written down the order of operations on the right hand side. You'll also see this with the acronym PEMDAS. So if you'd like to use that, please feel free. I prefer this one, but it really doesn't matter as long as you're following that order. So if we continue here with the first one, we've got an exponent to deal with, so let's do that first. So we'll write down our work step by step. And then 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3, which is 9. And we're asked to multiply here by 2 and then subtract 3. So we've taken care of the grouping symbols, there weren't any, and we've done the exponents. The next is multiplication and division. When we're on the same level here with multiplication and division, we want to go left to right. So as we go left to right through the remaining expression, we're going to do this division first. 27 divided by 9, which is 3, times 2 minus 3. When you get good at this, you can do a few steps at once, but I want to take you through each of these problems step by step so you can see exactly what is happening. So the next thing to do is still multiplication or division, and we're going to go left to right. So we want to do this 3 times 2, which is 6. Hope you guys can see that there. And then we've got a minus 3. Now we're down to this level, adding and subtraction. When we're at that level, we want to go left to right again. So we've got 6 minus 3, which is just 3. So this whole business up here, this whole expression, when we work with this and do the order of operations, this simplifies into just 3. Let's take a look at example 2, and I don't think we have any brackets or parentheses here, no grouping symbols. So we're going to do the exponent first, so that's 2 to the third. So we'll do 32, division symbol says 2 to the third power is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 to the third power is 8. And then we're supposed to add 4 here. So now we've done, there weren't any grouping symbols, we're on to exponents, and now we're going to take care of any multiplication or division before we tackle any addition or subtraction. So we'll do the division here, 32 divided by 8, which is 4. We still need to add 4, now we can do the addition, and we've got 8. For the next one, this one is very similar to the other two. We don't have any grouping symbols, so we're going to tackle this exponent part first. So we can write down everything exactly as it was before, except this time 6 squared is just 6 times 6, which is 36, minus 4. Now we've taken care of any grouping symbols, we've got the exponent done. Multiplication, division, there isn't any here. And so now we're going to move on to addition and subtraction. We're going to go left to right. So we'll do 15 plus 36. I like to think of this as 10 plus 30, and then 5 plus 6, and put that all together. So 10 and 30 is 40, 6 and 5 is 11, and 40 and 11 is 51. The next thing we needed to do is take away 4 from 51. So if we took away 1 from 51, we'd have 50. We need to take away 3 more, so that would be 47. Or 47 plus 4 is 51 if you prefer to think about it like that.